how many lines are there in the metro connecting the Riyadh city?
I'm not sure.
I don't really know.
Allahu Alam.
I think 7.
10, 11.
I don't know.
I'm gonna guess 7.
I'm gonna guess 14.
Today we learned about the metro station in Saudi Arabia, in Riyadh specifically, and how it's going to affect the future. With the help of Airbus Foundation, we were able to build and program a robot to go around the metro lines. We have 6 metros in total. Each one is assigned a different color.
Today in this STEM workshop, we learned how to program a little robot to work as a metro, having it turn, move forward at a certain time, and stop.
One thing I learned about this workshop is that timing is critical, because what really made the difference was the timing.
We built a robot that simulates how the metro will work in the future, which is, inshallah, hopefully will be opened in March 31 in the next year, 2024. And we have the lines indicating the areas. For example, the yellow line connects between the airport and until the Islamic University. And also we have many other projects we have learned to do today, which is build a robot, code it, and work on Ablex Scratch and on how the metro works and how this works on timing. We have really enjoyed this project, and thank you Airbus Foundation.